Your So Perfect Printables digital download from Etsy comes with the ability to edit your labels on Corjl. This video explains the basics of how to edit your labels. How to select your purchased digital item. When you log into the Corjl website, you will see your purchases from Etsy on the left-hand side. Understanding the measurements for So Perfect printable soap labels. The soap template is designed for a bar of 3 1/4 inches, 3 1/2 inches, or 3 3/4 inches. The text on the front of the soap will be in the center of the bar. Center the back panel by moving the boxes according to the guidelines above. The Layers palette. In the Layers panel on the right-hand side, items with the letter A are text. Layers with the landscape icon represent images. Layers can be locked to prevent movement. Editing text boxes. To change text in a text box, you can double-click and change the type. If you single-click, a box appears on the right-hand side and you can edit your text there. You can reposition your text. First, click to select the text. Then, while holding down the mouse button, drag the text to where you would like it to appear. If needed, you can add a new text box by clicking the Add Text Box button in the top right-hand corner. With the text box selected, the font can be changed if desired from the drop-down menu. Also, with the text box selected, you can change the font size numerically. Another way to change the font size is to drag the corner handle from the text box. The line height adjustment will change the space between rows of text. Your text can be justified to the left side, the center, or to the right. You can also adjust the font color if desired. Click the color and then select the shade that you want above. Uploading images. Click the Add New Image button to upload your own custom logo or photo. Then, drag and drop your image from your computer or click to browse on your computer. Then click Save. Once you have uploaded your image, it will appear in the middle of the screen. You can move it around and also size it by dragging one of the corners. The Add New Images button can also be used to select images that have been included with certain designs. Select them from the area below and then press Save to bring them in. Duplicating text and images. This design has 3 labels per page. It is recommended that you design one label first and then copy the elements to the other labels. A faster way to duplicate your design to the additional labels is, first, delete the placeholder layers by selecting them and clicking the trash can button. Next, select the layers you wish to duplicate. Holding Shift allows you to select multiple layers. Layers must be unlocked to be selected. Next, click the Duplicate button. While all the items are selected, click and drag the grouped layers. If you accidentally unclick the layers, you can use the Undo button to select them again. Saving and duplicating pages. In the event that the pane on the left-hand side has been collapsed, click the arrow in the bottom left-hand corner to open it again. To save your work, click the Save Changes button on the left-hand side. You must save your work before you can download. You can make more than one version of your labels. Click the Duplicate Page button at the top. Downloading and printing. From here, you can choose to download your design for printing. In this example, we will download the design in a PDF format to be printed from your computer. The Download Design window appears. If you've designed more than one page, here you can select the page number that you wish to download. Your computer may prompt you to see if you want to open or save the file. Save the file. Then you'll be able to open it from your Downloads folder. When you open your downloaded PDF in Adobe Acrobat, you click the Print button to open the Print dialog box. Make sure that it is set to actual size. The gray area in the preview shows the non-printable area for the printer. This is okay. The design was designed with full bleed. If you were to change it to fit, it will shrink your design. You do not want this because it will not be the appropriate size. The same is true for other options. Thanks for watching.